guys, welcome back to another video. Our video for today is all about this application that I'm using in creating videos. So some of you might be wondering what application I am using. So what I'm using, it's actually Wondershare Filmora. It can be downloaded for free, but it's watermarked. You can also like buy one, of course. So yep, let's go ahead and get started. This is basically the view of Wondershare Filmora, and if you notice, it's actually like the ordinary movie maker. So from here, yeah, well, as you can see, we have tabs like media, audio, titles, transitions, effects, elements, and of course, split screen. So yung pinaka nagagamit ko kasi dito, it's the recording. So let's go ahead and try recording one. But since I'm recording at the moment, yeah, I can, or I may not be able to show you the exact options, but here, um, now once you click the record or record for PC, it will show you this pop-up window. So here you can see it will ask you if you wanted to share your full screen, the speaker, microphone, and then if you are to expand settings, it will also ask you the specific folder where to save your file or the project, um, the quality, the record timer, and then of course the mouse as well. If you wanted your mouse to be captured on the recording, you have different colors: green, yellow, red. I think that's purple or blue. Play, mouse, click, sound. Let's go ahead and check that as well. We also have hotkeys for pause or resume video, that's F10, and for start or stop, that's F9. Now for some, they're actually using the camera, but for now I'm not using the camera. But if you're using, you just have to click the checkbox. So what are we going to do next? Let me go ahead and walk you through on how to import media files. So when we say media files, that's inclusive of songs and videos. But first off, you actually need to make sure that you click on new project. That's file new project. Let's try to import media, audio and video here. Let's select two. You can actually highlight the two and then just click on the open button. And then from here, another way for you to import files, you can also click on the import drop down menu there, and then just have to select these two options at the same time. So there you go. It's actually the same thing. You can select one, and then it will show you that option where you can import as well, another way for you to import media. So there you go. Those are some ways, or different ways on how you can import media files to your project. Okay, so from here, I think we can go ahead and start talking about some of the techniques that you can definitely do when making or creating your own video. So let's start dragging the video here. It will give you an option. The resolution or frame rate of this media does not match the settings of this project. Do you want to change the project settings to match this media? You just have, for me, what I use, that's keep project settings, but it's up to you if you want to match the media. And then it will actually show you, of course, the video together with the audio. Since it's actually a video file, the audio is actually attached to it. And so now, let's try playing the video. There you have it. And then if you want to split this video or this video, you just have to click on the scissor. There you have two options. So let's click the other one there. So that would separate this video. And now if you want to delete the first one, you can actually do that. That's already deleted. And if you notice, we started like a few seconds from the time that the video started a while back. Another thing, you can also mute the video. So if you're gonna play it one more time, the audio it's not playing. So there you go. Let's unmute that for now. And another thing that you can do, you can also detach the audio. Okay. So well, of course, it's still playing. Well, in this scenario, what you can do is that you can actually delete separately the audio just in case you wanted to use a different audio. But for now, let's try adjusting the audio. Same video, we're using the same video, but there are instances wherein we wanted to minimize the audio. Let's give it a try. So there, you just have to drag down, on the audio part, the latter part of your screen, the bottom, yeah, lower part of your screen. That's when you can adjust your audio. So there, you can make it louder. You can, lower down the sound or the audio. So that's where you can actually do those changes. Also, if you wanted to, yeah, this is what I was telling you guys a while back. If you wanted to remove or change the audio, you can definitely do that. So there, we did change the audio, and that is something that is really possible. Um, yeah, another thing you can actually adjust. This is another way for you to adjust the audio, fade in, fade out. You can also, adjust the pitch. Um, to make it, simpler, you can just go ahead and adjust the audio on the left part of your screen. So there you have it. It's as simple as that. Or you can just go ahead and adjust, the lower part of the screen. So there are so many ways on how you can adjust the audio. So there, what else? Another thing that we can do, let's go ahead and split that audio just like what we did earlier. We make it louder, okay, and then you can also like make it lower. You just have to make sure that you split that one, and then just adjust the audio, and there you have it. What else? Another thing that you can do here, it's say for example, you just wanted to take a snapshot of that video. You wanted to continue playing the audio. However, yeah, you just wanted to insert maybe a picture. You can also do that. Make sure that you select the audio, the first one there, and then click on the split or the scissor there, and then you just have to drag the video here and then drag the picture, just like in a nutshell. You're actually just drag and drop, of course, the picture. So there you go, that's the snapshot, and then it will continue with the video. So there. All right, so that's another way on how you can maybe like insert a certain picture whenever you are creating a video. So let's do another thing here. Let's drag again the video. Let's keep the same setting, keep project setting, and then let's do right click and click on, yeah, crop and zoom. Okay, so say for example, I wanted to zoom in a certain part of the picture. You can actually select or just click on zoom and then adjust accordingly. You can also like custom or customize the sizes and stuff like that. So I think this is, for me, this is way better than the default setting. So yep, it's very much flexible if in case you wanted to zoom in a specific part of the video, and just click on OK button. Let's give it a try. So there you go, it's being zoomed in. Yeah, that's also another thing. What else? We can also like, let's see. Yeah, if you wanted to like maybe zoom in a specific part of the video and then make some changes on some parts of the video, make sure to split the video first and then make the necessary changes based on your needs. So crop and zoom. This time you want it to be like maybe just the upper part of the video. You can definitely do that. I'm doing this, guys, just for it to be obvious, of course, but you can definitely make um yeah, changes depending on what you like on your video. So there you go. Okay, and again, that's all about the crop and zoom feature of Wondershare Filmora. Another thing that you can actually do here, let's see. We can also, yeah, for this one, for me, it's actually very important when I insert maybe a specific video clip. This time, let's take this as an example. The please subscribe something. Yeah, for some videos, where I can actually see it to be, something being shown on the lower right. Yeah, that depends, of course. But let's try cropping and zooming that part of the video. First thing I wanted to do is to crop and zoom. Yeah, because where is it? Crop and zoom. I wanted to make it bigger, and then that's when I can go ahead and yeah, put it on the lower right corner of my screen. So let's go ahead and adjust that one. So there you go. And again, that depends on you guys. But for me, this is just an example. And if you notice, with the videos I've created recently, I'm actually using this one. So once I've cropped it or made it bigger, that's when I can, make it smaller and put that as part of my video. There you go. Yeah, so yeah, that's actually one way for you to kind of like merge two videos at the same time. But for this one, what we use is just, the please subscribe icon there. You can also like copy and paste that one. What I did, that's Control C for copy, Control V for paste. So you got another, yeah, please subscribe button there. And yeah, I think there you go, guys. These are actually just, some of the features of Wondershare Filmora. And another thing, yeah, you can actually end it by clicking on the record piece screen. It would just, give you that option or give you that option to end the recording. I know I haven't really covered that much about the tool or application. I'll be uploading more features about Filmora in my next video. So yeah, please don't forget to subscribe everyone and we'll see you again in our next video. Bye.